Hello friend, welcome to the Code Scholar channel. We are very happy to tell you today that we have finally moved our certification making body from the online tool to our offline tool. So we have generated a Python code to make sure we are getting the certificate with the same format as you can see here. This picture what we have designed, we will get the same thing with different descriptions of the person, the program they have taken, the dates, the certification ID. And for that, we're taking the data from this file. It is a dummy data. Just a second. Yeah. So it is a dummy data that has some certification ID, full name, the email address, and the mobile number and the gender. So these are very few columns that we collect from the participants. What happened now? So first let us tell you like how we are working on this Python code. So this is the Python code that we have designed. If we run this Python code, you can see here that it is asking what format you want. So let's say I want images for all the certificate of the participants that I have shown you in the Excel file. After that, you have to mention the issuance date. So like recently we have covered a batch. Let us give the date for that batch. It was 7th of November 2020. And it will do nothing. It will just ask you to hold for a second. In the meanwhile, it will create multiple images for all the names that were available in the Excel file. And then tada! And you can see a folder here that was generated by running this program. And all the certificates are available with particular I code, that certification code they have, as well as the name. And we have also taken the QR code. Now if you are using a camera, you can again scan this QR code and you will get the same information of the candidate, that is having the certification ID, the candidate name, as well as the company's website. We have become a very few Indian companies that have shifted from making certificates depending on other bodies to the total Python product. Formerly we were actually dependent on this Python file. Now we have converted to this exe file. So no matter what system we are using, we just need these two files at the database that have this certification format and the data. All the column names should be available at the same place, same position. So this is the exe file that we have converted from this py, and let's double click on it and see what it displays. It will show all the output codes that were available in that particular py file also. And now no matter what system we are using, we are able to generate the certificates of any data possible. So this is like asking me, so previously we did for images, let us do for PDFs now. And the issuance date, just a dummy date I am writing down, 18, and something arbitrary options, and then hold on, it is generating a certificates. Now it has been generated. You can check the folder and you can see all those data are available now in PDF format. Let us open those PDFs and see how it looks. And you can see the quality of the image. If I zoom it, there is no blurriness. The content is intact in the PDF. And again, you can scan this PDF format, this QR code, and you will get this certification ID, name of the candidate, and our company website name. So now, and not even that, we have also observed like this is a little more faster as compared to other tools that we were using sooner. We are really happy at this moment to entirely shift our domain to this Python product now. And I hope like you like this product. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you.